sis, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new wig review. The unit we're going to be taking a look at today is by Outre. It is from their melted hairline line, and it is, bam, Miss Lilyana. I guess that's how you say her name, y'all. It's either Lilyana or Lilyana. How about we just call her Lil? So I have Lil today in the color GRFF2 Cherry Red. So let me just say, sis, right off jump, this wig is not gonna match my makeup look, okay? So my sister-in-law asked me to do a blue look for her today, and here it is. It's not gonna match the wig this time, so just don't come for me in the comments. I already know. In case you're interested, the lashes that I have on are called the HEIDI lash. They are by Boldandbravecosmetics. And I will definitely leave all of the information for Boldandbravecosmetics in the description box. And also, sis, my lip is also from Boldandbravecosmetics. Now, I just had to show y'all this. Look at the packaging on this lipstick. How cute is that? And then, sis, you just push the button and bam, your lipstick comes right on out. Ain't that pretty? So this is the one that I have. I forgot what color it is, but girl, I'll leave it in the description box. So I do have a discount code for you guys. It's Weezy, W-E-E-Z-Y. So make sure you use the discount code if you want to save some coins. This is not a sponsored video, sis. I'm just trying to help you out. I'm going to get her unboxed. I'm going to show you all her deets. We're going to get her styled up, and then we'll talk about her in the outro. So, Outre melted hairline Lil, no, Lilyana, in the color DRFF2 Cherry Red. Let's go. Okay, y'all, hold on one more time. I just got to tell y'all this. I always mean to tell y'all this. When you get your wig, if it's hooked like this, like hooked into your packaging, do not, sis, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do not just pull this out. You will rip your lace, okay? Get you a pair of scissors, cut it, and go live your best life. All right, let me get this thing reviewed for y'all. All right, come on.
Rage on that beat, going crazy. rage on that beat, going crazy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God, y'all. If you, I'm finna go order this wig again before I drop this video. Y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Outre, I can't even hardly take no more. Like banger after banger, y'all dropping. You guys, okay, I took notes so I wouldn't forget to tell y'all nothing. First, let's talk about what Outre says about this wig. So this is Lilyana, or Lil as we calling her, and she is from the Melted Hairline line. She is a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. She has a redesigned comfort ear contour. She does have baby hairs and pre-attached wide elastic band. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And she does have soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch parting space. And you guys saw that when I put my contour powder in the parting space. That parting space looked like Moses parting the Red Sea. It went all the way back, so it was nice. And this model sold this bad boy. Look at that. Anyway, okay, to my notes. Let me start off with the cons first, okay? So that way we end on a good note. So con number one, it had an abundance of lace to cut off, sis. Like, that didn't make no sense, all that lace. I didn't even know where to start, so I just said the heck with it and just cut it right up the middle. Because of this ear-to-ear special contouring they did on these units, if you are a beginner, it's going to be a little bit difficult to maneuver your way around the lace. So you definitely can cut the lace, you know, according to the hairline on the wig. But then when you put it on your head, as you guys saw, like, it's not going to fit everybody's hairline like that. Like, I had way too much like left over after I cut the lace off. But I kind of had to like part the lace and then cut through the middle of my part, like right into where the parting space was. That's what I would recommend when cutting this ear-to-ear contour stuff, because if you just go in and just start cutting it, you're gonna mess your wig up. So part it first and kind of, you know, gauge, okay, is this, you know, where I want my sideburns to be? How far back do I want the hair to sit? Part it and then cut right up the part. Not big head friendly, girl. I had the hardest time getting this wig on my head. It didn't even make no sense. Like, the wig was too small, the headband was too big. And so I had to wind up saying, just forget all about this elastic band and just put the wig on my head. But my head is 23 inches with the Wigrip, guys. And I would definitely say if your head is bigger than 23 inches, you're gonna be on a struggle bus trying to get this on your head, okay? You're welcome. If you are my complexion or darker, you are definitely going to need to tint the lace. Just period, poo, okay? So you all know I like tinting my lace with the Clairol Root Touch-Up spray. And what this is for covering up gray hairs. It's spray for covering gray hairs. And I get it in the color dark to medium blonde. So this you can get off of Amazon. I believe they were $7.99. Some of the other things that I use, you all, in order to lay this lace is I used my Bedhead TIGI hard head spray, and I did do a review on this spray, so I will leave a link right up here on the iCard for you guys in case you want to check that out. You definitely want to, sis, because got to be glued who, we rolling with bed head. The other thing that I used was my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foam Mousse. So if you're going to be creating baby hairs, mousse is a must. You need some mousse in order to be able to make them baby hairs swoop to swoop just right. The other thing that I use is my Got to Be Glued Ultra Glued in the black bottle, and I use this also along with the mousse to do my sculpt my baby hairs. And as you guys can see, like, let me get up close, sis. This thing definitely melts into your hairline. Like, look at that. Girl, you know this my hair. What do you mean? Like, quit playing. I think that's pretty much it on the cons. Now let's get to the pros. So pro number one is this color, this color, this color, and boo, did I say this color? Y'all, this color, oh my God, it's everything. I love the cherry redness of it. It is definitely the cherry on top, sis. So even though it's a middle part, it does give you some styling options. Like, this hair is so soft. I mean, it is soft. It does not tangle. I will definitely not be putting a comb or a brush in this hair. You can definitely do your half up, half down style with this, as well as, hold on, let me go get a headband. Let's try a headband, sis. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I got the headbands. These were made by my girlfriend, Faith, from Still Looking Good 58. If you guys are not subscribed to her channel, please make sure you subscribe to her channel. She made me 3 headbands. She's now making headbands, so you guys can definitely run over there and get you some headbands, girl. I'll leave all of her information in the description box. But these are the 3 she made me, and I absolutely love this one because it's got heartbeats on it and a heart. So I call this one my nursing headband. So let's check them out real quick. Okay, so this is the first headband. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. Look at that. And I love how nice and wide they are. So although I created baby hairs with this unit, makes it look really natural. But if you don't have any edges like your girl, then I love these wide headbands because you can pull them all the way forward and it's still a look. Okay, sis, this is the second one. Oh, wow, this matches perfectly with this hair. This is a look. I love it. And again, nice and wide. My friend better than your friend. I love these. These are cute. Okay, you guys, and here is my nursing one. Oh, I love them. They are so, so cute. So sis, you don't need no Amazon headbands. Head on over to Still Looking Good 58 and have her make you some handmade headbands. I love it. I like at the top, like how, see, it gives an illusion of being crisscross. So you can kind of, you know, like fold it in half if you don't want it as wide, or you can open it up and wear it wider, especially like in the back. You can open it up and wear it wide if you want to do updos. So it gives you flexibility. You can either have it wide or you can roll it in half and have it a little smaller. So I love them. Thanks so much, Faith. Good job. Yes, hunty. I will say this unit, you're not going to be able to wear glueless because your sides are definitely going to be flapping in the wind, girl. That ain't cute. We don't want that. I love the waves on this wig. Feel like you're floating in the ocean, girl. Look at that. I love it. Let me take the headband off real quick because what I want to tell you guys is I like how the waves start like all the way up here at the top and then they just flow naturally down. I know I did go in with my hot comb and kind of, you know, laid it down just one little hump, but I prefer it to have all the waves in it. So I didn't comb it like all the way down to make it all the way flat because I like that little lift of wave. So yeah, but these waves, they everything. You're gonna get seasick. For real, for real. I will definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. This is so bomb, and I think it will be perfect for the holidays. So if you can get your hands on one, get two. Like, for real. All right, y'all. You guys have an absolutely blessed day. If you are not subscribed to the channel, sis, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And for all of you, please check the drop-down box next to the notification bell and make sure you have clicked it to all. All right, guys. I love y'all to pieces. Be blessed. And remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!
Rage on that beat, going crazy.